Autopstenhoj, the uplifting company, presents MagiX 35DS, the perfect double scissor lift for fast direct reception. The Autopstenhoj MagiX 35DS has been developed for fast direct reception, repair, and maintenance. The positioning of the control column as well as the driving direction are freely selectable. The stable scissor construction guarantees high side stability. The maximum programmable height can be set at 2 meters. The manual emergency lowering allows the platform to be lowered without power. The programmable CE stop serves as safety system to prevent any danger when lowering the lift. Due to its low construction height of less than 100 millimeters, the MagiX 35DS offers very good drive-over conditions, even for very low vehicles like the BMW Z4. The drive-on ramps consist of anti-slip tiered plate. The drive-on ramps can be used as platform extension. The intelligent start mechanism offers smooth lifting and lowering movements. The lubrication-free Teflon sliding bearings are extremely low maintenance. Thanks to the standard master-slave system, neither compressed air nor safety ratchets are required. Self-locking parachute valves take care of additional safety. The photocell monitors the synchronization. This safety system interferes immediately when the specified tolerance is exceeded. The sliding blocks under the platform and in the galvanized base frame are made of an easy sliding synthetic material. The large range of accessories offers flexible possibilities to lift up different types of vehicles. With the Autopstenhoj Double Scissors Lift MagiX 35DS, you are investing in a future-proof multifunctional workstation for lifting small cars up to SUVs and small commercial vehicles with a capacity of 3.5 tons. Of course, for this lift, we also have product recommendations from the car manufacturers.